And then I said, "Put it on my bill." Well, that's my time. Have a great night, everyone.
Howard, you've been working here for a few months now, and your jokes, they hit and miss. But it's clear now the audience, they just don't like you. Your jokes don't make sense because you're just not funny. We lose money when you're on stage. Please, don't come back.
Do you know why you're here?
Why are you speaking like that?
Like what?
That whole "I am Batman" voice you got going on.
I'm not changing my voice.
Whatever. Took you long enough to get me here. Hey, this is my first time getting kidnapped and all, so do you think we can loosen the ropes a bit?
Oh, yeah, sure.
This your first time too? Are we first time buddies?
What? Shut up.
Are you seriously drinking water right now? Can I have some?
Yeah, sure. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to do that. I'm so sorry.
Did you just waterboard me?
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to do that.
It's fine. It's fine. We're virgins at this whole kidnapping thing after all. You know, I get it. I failed a lot too.
Why are you a comedian?
I don't really know. Just kinda am.
Why didn't you do something else in the first place?
Oh, I did.
Oh. Wow. That's rough.
Made some good stories to tell. Especially when that one guy stole my cards and then ran into a pole.
How come you never told that one on stage?
It isn't very funny. But I'm not very funny either.
But you are funny.
No, I'm not. I couldn't even make a sitcom audience laugh. What? No chuckle? I'm sorry, okay? It's all I can do. I mean, I told you about my past jobs. I was given so many tries and could never get it right. I'm a failure. I can't even lighten the mood after being waterboarded and kidnapped right. Just do it, okay? I won't flinch anymore, I promise. Just get it over with.
So that's it. Wow. So you get a bag shoved over your head and you finally give up. After all this, you're just gonna up and quit.
What do you mean that's it? Of course that's it. You're gonna kill me anyways. At least do it now. It's easier.
I'm not gonna kill you. The plan was to never kill you. I've seen every one of your shows, seen every one-liner flop and punchline. None of them have compared to the ones you've made this whole time. I mean, hell, those first time jokes were great. You're better than you think you are. Better than they think you are.
You know me?
I've been there since day one, Howard.
Can I guess who you are?
I'll give you a hint. I make your rum and coke before every show.
So then you're a bartender. That's neat. You put the lime in the coconut and mix it all up for people?
Yes, Howard, that's totally what I do for a living.
I don't understand. Why do you care about my career? I mean, it's not like it affects you.
It does, but that's not the point. You've bombed every show, yet you keep trying to prove that you're good at this. And you are. I mean, this is comedic gold as far as I'm concerned. Ever since I put you here, you've been doing amazing. You'll make it. I believe in you. You just need to believe in yourself.
I am proud to introduce to you tonight's show-stopping comedian, Baghead. You're gonna kill it.
How is everyone doing tonight? Obviously, I'm not doing too well. I mean, I have a bag on my head. Obviously, I go as Baghead, right? So I pretty much wear this thing everywhere. The other day I was at Starbucks, and like I said, I wear this everywhere. I go to drink my coffee without lifting it up, and yeah, I waterboarded myself. This happened this week. I was kidnapped, like I said. Stop laughing. It's not a joke. I was kidnapped.